So hello and welcome you all to Sail to MDS Dental Academy. I am Dr. Malay Trivedi, Professor in College of Dental Sciences. So today in this video aspirant, we are going to talk few important points regarding your preparation. Everybody knew that NEET MDS 2023 is rescheduled from January to March. Now it is rescheduled means what? Okay, what all challenges you are going to face? The challenges faced by the students who are preparing from last 1 year, challenges students will face who are planning to start their preparation. As I talked in my last video that if at all the NEET MDS will get postponed, what are problems you are going to face? So problems are coming. What are problems? Main problems I am going to address. Big two problems are there. The more number of students are eligible for the examination. Students who are preparing and those who just start preparing, they have to be more precise in that preparation. So we Sail to MDS Academy going to announce the 100 days exclusive to the point preparation. Fine, so in this video I'm going to discuss in detail regarding the same and also what all you have to take care in this 100 days, how you have to approach this 100 days for your preparation. Okay, as everybody know from NetBoard, they have told that it has been rescheduled to 1st March 2023. Fine, let's see what is the best way to study, smart work or hard work. You can see in the video smart work का सर्कल थोड़ा बड़ा रखा है मैंने और हार्ड वर्क का सर्कल थोड़ा छोटा है. ओके, मैनी स्टूडेंट्स बिलीव दैट जितना हार्ड वर्क करोगे उतना सक्सेस ज़्यादा मिलेगा, उतना रैंक ऊपर आएगा. दैट इज कम्प्लीटली रॉन्ग. यू हैव टू डू मोर स्मार्ट वर्क अलॉन्ग विद द हार्ड वर्क. Alone smart work or alone hard work will not at all going to help you. You have to go for the combination of both. But 70% smart work is required and 30% hard work is required. Hard work, smart work क्या है? सब बोलते हैं, उसका मतलब क्या है? Hard work means what, aspirant? Some students believe that जितना ज़्यादा पढ़ोगे उतना ज़्यादा अच्छा रैंक आएगा. Okay, remember you have 21 subjects and you have to complete these 21 subjects in the limited period of time. Okay, so you cannot master, so you cannot complete textbook of every subject. You require some mentors help who will provide you the right and the precise information from the overall textbook. बहुत स्टूडेंट मुझसे कंप्लेन करते हैं कि सर हमने 7-8 घंटे का लेक्चर देखा, हमने 7-8 घंटे की वीडियोस देखे, हमारे पास इतनी 100 पेजेस की नोट्स है, पर सर अभी हमको कुछ याद नहीं, हमने सब पढ़ा. तुमको याद रहेगा भी नहीं क्योंकि रिवीजन चाहिए. और रिवीजन कब होगा? जब प्रिसाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन होगी. क्यों तुम लोग जब भी तुम्हारे दिमाग में आता है कि यस हमको एंट्रेंस के लिए प्रिपेयर करना है तो दिमाग में पल्स या गौरी शंकर आती है, क्यों टेक्स्ट बुक्स नहीं आती? क्योंकि वहाँ प्रिसाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन दी है. बट दैट प्रिसाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन इज नॉट दैट मच हेल्पफुल. इट इज़ हेल्पफुल बट नॉट कम्प्लीटली. थोड़ा एडिशन चाहिए जो तुम्हें राइट डायरेक्शन में गाइड करे. दैट्स व्हाई यू रिक्वायर स्मार्ट वर्क. स्मार्ट वर्क मीन्स व्हाट? टू द प्रिसाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन you require. Okay, now if you extra information, definitely understanding will be less. Remembering, you cannot remember everything. We all have some capacity to remember. That's how what happened. You might have heard from your seniors that they have read this much book, they have read that book, but at the end the rank is mediocre rank because they are not able to revise. And if you are not revised, whatever you have studied, whichever book you have studied is of no use. That's why what aspirant you require a precise information, more understanding, more remembrance so you can reach your goal. Okay, so what we are going to do in our new course, we are going to provide a precise information. We have more than 700 micro lectures for the NEET MDS preparation. Okay, aspirant, in this 700 micro lectures, what, let's say you are going to study odontogenic tumors. No need to study full Schaefer 50-55 pages. All the important information which can be asked in the examination from the Schaefer and Nebel has been concise in our micro lectures. So just you want to revise necrosis, open necrosis video, learn it, revise it, done. That's a thing we are going to provide in our application. And whenever you are logging your application, you are going to get more than 700 videos at a time, and the more videos, necessary videos, update will be keep on adding. We have image-based lecture also, and we have more than 50 exams with past papers, including NEET MDS as well as ini-cet. And definitely I will be there always for the individual planning. सब बच्चों का planning सेम जैसा नहीं होता. Everybody have different thought, everybody have different goal, different rank, different branch. So individual planning is very important. So that definitely I am going to help you. Plus demo sessions are available. Anybody want to for demo sessions, you can let me know. I am going to guide you for the demo session also. Fine. So if anybody want to join, they can contact me on the number here on the screen. You can visit our website and you can also download our app, that is MDS Dental Academy. From there you can see our demo course And if at all you are registering, just WhatsApp me, ping me, we'll share you all the information of the micro lectures also, that which are topic I'm going to cover. Fine aspirant. Plus we have special preparation for the physiology, pharmacology and general medicine. And remember, my lectures can be accessed via app also and via PC also. And we have WhatsApp study group in which every week we are going to have a MCQ discussion. And this all papers, this all the dearth of papers I'm going to provide you all aspirants. Fine aspirants. So that was all from my side. Any help, any doubt in preparation, you can let us know. Till then, take care and work hard. Remember, precise to the point preparation is very needed at this stage of preparation. Thank you.